God's morning to you all. Today is Wednesday, July 16th. We are going to do a quick update on this CRCL trade. Starting from the daily time frame. Okay. We have what we would call a bearish setup. So I didn't go through it in detail in the last video. Um, but this two candle setup right here, right? This strong up close candle, then this inside down close doji candle. It's a pretty consistent setup, which basically leads to expansion. So you have two inside candles, right? So this candle was fully inside Friday's candle, and then Tuesday's candle was fully inside Monday's candle. So you have, just a coil, right? You have contraction. And that's it. Like, that's the only thing we can interpret in terms of what is the sort of um, current state of this trade. So if we look at CoreWeave, okay, it had a similar look, right? And I actually remember now I did mention it. It had a similar look where it formed a bearish harami on top of a bullish order block. Bearish harami, bullish order block. And so while the pre-market is suggesting this trade might be busted, I'm still erring on the side of momentum to the downside. We will be invalidated on this trade idea with a break of Friday's high of 206.80 with momentum above 209.22, which is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So if pre-market we can get back within Tuesday's range, which is a high of 203.46, if we can get back within this range by market open, I still think it has a chance to fall below this order block, right? Below the low of this order block of 176. And then we'll find potential buyers between 164 and 149. So we did enter pretty much a full position on the 180 puts yesterday. Once we tried to test Monday's close, okay, so price went to 203.46, and we were buying on the way up. I took a nap and woke up and saw the House of Representative news that it didn't pass the bill, the Genius Act. It didn't pass, and so they are revoting now, slated for 12:20 Eastern today. So that, within conjunction of a few other things, we have this pre-market move, which is seemingly invalidating our trade idea. So again, we don't have to marry any of these trades. We followed the plan. The plan was working exactly how we thought it would, and we entered based off that information. So we will continue to monitor this throughout the day. I may provide updates, but that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to open within this range, even if it peaks above the high. I'm not too concerned. If we resolve this imbalance here from Monday at the close, right? So this high never got to the close of Monday here at 204.70. So if today we get to that 204.70, 205, and we start to sell off, then I am thinking, we'll continue through just because of the setup and how it's, very similar to CoreWeave from last week, Thursday and Friday, or sorry, Thursday, July 3rd, which was the holiday week, and then Monday, uh, July 7th. And so, yeah, we will keep this on our radar. This is the only equities trade right now that we're in and that we're monitoring. I might have something for Thursday, Friday to look into, but for now, this is what we're focusing on, and we'll see how it goes. All right. Thank you for watching. As always, live to trade another day. Um, know your plan, trade it, and execute accordingly. And keep that risk management where it needs to be. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.